welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can use Twitter in order to get more customers for your brand. Now, you might be a bit surprised by this, that how can you use a social media platform in order to look for customers? Well, it's really simple and it's really easy, so let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is you have to be really sure about your services and what they include before you start reaching out for customers on any of the platforms. So, and right here in the search bar, we're going to type in something like a customer would type in when they are in need of relevant services. So this is something we can use. I need a banner, and this is related to graphical services. So if you're a digital marketing company and you are proficient, you have graphic designers or experts who are proficient in graphic designing, you can use this phrase in order to draw out more customers. As you can see, we already have someone here. They're saying, I need a new logo, banner made, exclamation mark. So the exclamation mark only emphasizes the seriousness of the situation. So what you can do is you can go into the comments and you can reply to their tweet. You can say something like, hey, username, we can help you out with creating a logo and a banner, and type out a very fitting response to their tweet. You can tell them a little bit more about your services regarding to what they need, and then tell them how they can reach out to you, or ask them which medium of communication would be more convenient for them. And you can just have a conversation with them and you can engage with your targeted audience in this manner. So that's a really good method. If you scroll further down, we can see another person. They're saying, I needed a cool banner. You can also reply to them and say something like, hey, we can provide you with a very visually appealing banner, and here's how you can get it. You can either redirect them to your website, or you can tell them your email address where they can reach out to you, or something similar. You can choose any medium of communication that you and your targeted audience are comfortable with. So you guys can have a conversation with them in this way. This is the easiest way possible. So you can also use some other phrases here. You can replace I need a banner with something else. Apart from that, you can also use complaints and customer frustrations and pain points as something to draw out more customers. So let's just say that if someone were frustrated with WordPress, no offense WordPress, so they'll type in something like this, that hate WordPress. Oh, we have a user here with a username called I hate WordPress. Now, if we search for hate WordPress, people and results will show up in the similar way. So if we scroll down further, we can see that someone is here and they've said, PS, I hate WordPress. And if we have services which are relevant to some other website builders, then you can comment on this post and be like, hey, we understand that WordPress can be a little difficult to work with, and we can help you out with creating a website for at the rate of bot talk. So you can coordinate with them, and you, as they've already said in the tweet, please DM me here or on Discord with your portfolio. So you can reach out to them from Discord as well. So this is another way. Number one, look for customers by typing in phrases relevant to your services. Number two, look for frustrated customers by using their pain points as search phrases. So these are some of the two most basic and the most efficient methods you can use to draw out customers on Twitter. So go ahead and use it for yourself.